Hello and welcome to Rupee Rakshak News of 1st September 2023. I'm your host Raghu Rao. Very good to see you again. This week we are going to bring you some exciting ways to invest your money and some very interesting news and tips to grow your money. Rupee Rakshak News is coming to you from FinMo, a SEBI registered financial advisor. What that means is we don't give you information and say it is just for education purpose. Instead, this is authentic, unbiased information that you can use for your investments as an investor. On the fixed income side, do you know the National Savings Certificate? The good old post office savings instrument is the best one out there with a 7.7% interest rate. On the other hand, the state government guaranteed bonds of the Rupee Rakshak bonds basket gives you an interest rate of 9.7 to 9.95% and a yield of 9% at the prevailing market rates. Now let us take a look at the bond market updates for this week. In the bond markets, US 10-year G-Sec yield closed at 4.10%, a fall of minus 2.10 for the week, while India 10-year G-Sec yield closed at 7.18%, a slight positive of 0.04% this week. So Indian bond markets are holding pretty well here. Coming to crude oil, positive rally of 2.2% seen in Brent crude oil for the week. Brent crude trading at $85.16. And gold had a positive sentiment with dollar index flat to negative. So gold sees a raise of 1.24% for the week and trading at $1,970 per ounce. So what are the economic events changing the world markets? US GDP data was seen at 2.1% and non-farm employment change seen at 177K versus 132K a year ago. Rise in Germany's CPI data yesterday was at 6.8%. Coming to the upcoming economic events next week, Reserve Bank of India Monetary and Credit Information Review is due and federal fiscal deficit data is expected and India's GDP data is also expected today. Here are the Rupee Rakshak bond baskets for you. The top 3 government bond baskets this week are the Government of India G-Sec with a coupon rate of 8.3% and a yield of 7.33%, and the Government of India Security with a coupon rate, the interest rate at 7.54% and a yield of 7.32%, and the Government of India Security with a coupon rate of 7.4% and a yield of 7.31%. So as you can see, the top 3 government bonds all give a yield of around 7.3%, and that is the return for you from the G-Secs this week. These are all AAA rated sovereign guarantee bonds which pay half yearly interest and are best replacements for bank FD and also provide high liquidity, which means you can sell it anytime. Top 3 state government guaranteed bonds from Rupee Rakshak bond baskets are Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited bond, which gives you an interest rate of 10.55% and a yield of 7.69% based on current market prices. And the other 2 are from UP Power Corporation. The first one from the UP PCL gives you a coupon rate of 10.15% and a yield of 9.59%. And the next bond from UP Power Corporation Limited gives a coupon rate of 9.75% and a yield of 9.2%. And for all these state government guaranteed bonds, the minimum face value, the investment value is 10 lakhs. So these are big bonds issued by the state-owned entities and therefore they are backed by a guarantee from the respective state government. That's the bond market updates for you this week. If you like our news and views, subscribe to Rupee Rakshak News channel on youtube.com. Thank you for watching Rupee Rakshak News.